This video explains the tutorial for Wi-Fi wireless connection between the MOVNORM series monitor and the Sony A7 V camera. This tutorial is applicable to firmware version B74 and later. First, you need to set up the camera. Press the menu button to enter the camera menu. Navigate to the network menu page and set the Wi-Fi frequency band to 2.4 GHz. Return to the network menu, select Connection Remote Shooting, then choose Remote Shooting function, and select Wi-Fi Direct Information. View and note down the camera's password. Do not close this interface. Next, perform the Wi-Fi connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap Camera. Select and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device, select the camera device. Correctly enter the camera's SID password, and tap Confirm. Wait for about 5 seconds. A pop-up window labeled Authentication will appear on the camera. Select Access Authentication Information. Enter the camera's user and password information separately on the monitor. After entering the username, tap Confirm, then proceed to enter the password. After entering the password, tap Confirm. Wait a moment. When the monitor displays the control panel, it indicates the camera connection is successful. When you turn on the monitor next time and need to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. However, you must open the Wi-Fi Direct Information interface on the camera for the monitor to detect the camera signal. This is because the Sony camera's Wi-Fi signal is typically turned off and only activates when this interface is open. On the monitor, simply find the camera device in the My Devices section and tap Connect. Tap Rec to start or pause recording on the camera. Tap Iris to adjust the camera aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the sensitivity. Tap Focus. In AF mode, you can perform touch focus and tracking focus on the monitor. In MF mode, you can adjust the focus point using the buttons on the monitor. Tap Zoom to zoom using the buttons on the monitor. However, this parameter can only be controlled if a power zoom lens is used or the zoom range is set to digital zoom. Tap WB to switch the camera's white balance mode. When the white balance mode is K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in an automatic mode, tap EV to adjust the exposure value. This concludes the tutorial on Wi-Fi wireless connection between the MOVNORM series monitor and the Sony A7 V camera.